Any tips on quick tips on creatives, how to word it, who to advertise it to?
I think my biggest tip for you, Joe, is just consistency. Going back to like uploading one product a day, not really fretting about the description, not fretting about the video, just fretting about just getting products out there and testing one product a day. And then if it doesn't work, kill and go on to the next product. And then, as you've seen in the past few months, testing one product a day, it does seem and feel expensive, but as you get sales come in here and there, it makes up for the ad spend. And if you're killing pretty fast and you're moving on to the next product, you won't be spending as much as you think. But I think the consistency of just uploading products every day and just getting back into the flow of things, getting motivated, and just sort of enjoying the journey and process, knowing that this is going to be tough, but you are looking to build something for your future and something that you can do, you know, on your own and build your own business, and it's not going to be easy.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 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 And I have to admit, the motivation to do all this has been down over the past few weeks because my workload at my job is really ramped up. So it would mean like a lot of overtime, very little time to deal with stuff at night. So I just started dealing with the problems rather than doing more testing, if that makes sense. So
Got it.
yeah, I just have to shift back to the testing and spending far less time on the problems.
If, like, due to your workload, it's like near impossible for you to upload one product every day, either one, break down a system where you consistently can test one product every second day, one product every third day, on top of doing your customer service half an hour every day, on top of doing product research 1 hour every day. Build out a system
So
that
what,
works for your current increased workload.
yeah, so what you're saying is treat it like a business in the sense that make it a schedule
Correct.
rather
Routine.
than doing it when I can. Yeah, routine, create a routine
Exactly.
around it.
Give you a routine that works with your increased workload with ease.
Yeah, okay. Do less than what I can almost is what I'm going to try and do, if that makes
Exactly.
sense to you.
Do
Yeah.
less than what you can, exactly, because it will allow for consistency and longevity.
Mm.
Whereas
Yeah.
if you sort of just try to max out, on the weekends, and then you'll end up doing nothing during the weekdays, and then you might sort of work on a Wednesday and go all out, and you're burnt out for the rest of the week, versus just sort of doing a small amount every day. The small amount every
Yeah.
day is always a better approach. And also
Yeah.
finding influences that sort of motivate you. For example, I don't know, like when I was down, I used to listen to a lot of Gary Vee.
I'll be
And then
pretty
incorporate
quick.
hobbies and things like cycling into your routine. Like cycling is part of your business. Like for example, my afternoon walks, my days off, my road trips. That's part of my business because that's what fuels me. So I put that into my routine.
Yeah. That's a good way to think about it.